Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give you some ideas of English project and assignment. We are almost towards the end of the year, vacations are approaching, and you must have got some project or assignment work from your school. The basic purpose of English project or assignment is to enhance and improve your knowledge in language and also to enhance your verbal and written communication. So keeping that in mind, I have included some ideas to enhance and improve your written and verbal communication in today's video. So let's see.
Let's start with this. Make your yearbook. Now what is this? This has been quite an eventful year, isn't it? With a lot of happening around the world. And I'm sure it must have been eventful for you as well, with memorable events. Collect those memories in pictures and paste them in a book and write about them. Describe the event. What was it? When did it happen? How you felt about it? In other words, describe the picture. This will cover your picture composition. Picture composition develops the skill of observation and enhances the ability to analyze a picture. So this was our first project or assignment idea. Moving on to next. An interesting activity, sell a product. Yes, make an advertisement. Choose any product, any of the existing or innovative product and make an advertisement to sell it. Like those we see in TV commercials. Remember these. Make a tagline. A tagline is a slogan or a catchphrase. You must have seen tagline with products in TV commercials. Create a jingle. Jingle is a ringing sound, a sound of music which remains in the mind of people. Highlight the product. Tell about plus point of the product. And act in your commercial to sell your product. This will show your creativity, innovation, bodily intelligence, and verbal ability. Our next idea is write fictional letters. Now, what are fictional letters? Think about your favorite people, maybe your role model, your idol, or any of your favorite person, like those of real heroes, Prime Minister of India, sports personalities, fictional characters, authors, or even God, and write letter to them as if you're going to post to them. Though you're not, you will not be posting to them, but express in the letters how you feel about them, how they inspire you, or even thank them. This will cover your letter writing and it will show your power of imagination and writing ability. Next, make abstract videos. What are abstract videos? Do an activity and make a video of it. It can be any activity. For example, you can make a video of doing a craft work, making tea, or even gardening. Yes, shoot an activity. And while doing so, do not forget to explain what you are doing in the video. Tell people about it. Keep your body language and your gestures proper. This will show your spontaneity, confidence, and verbal ability. Isn't it an interesting activity? Next, write about yourself. Yes, write the story of your life through your autobiography. Include adventurous and unforgettable event from your life. Will it not be fun when your friends and teachers read about your life? You can also write about others. You can also write their biography or profile. This will cover your biography and profile writing and enhance and improve your writing ability. Next, we have write a story in the form of comic strips. I'm sure you must have read comics. It has dialogues with speech bubbles. You can write, you can make your own comic. If you are good at drawing, you can also draw it. And if you're not good, just keep the dialogues in the form of speech bubbles. This will be an impressive project because it will show a lot of your creativity, your ability of creative writing, and it will cover story writing and dialogue writing. Isn't it an interesting activity to impress your teacher, to show your ability to your teacher? Next, take virtual interviews. Yes, conduct interviews. Interview your friends or teachers online. You can also do it in the form of role play, with you being a journalist and other person a celebrity. It will be fun grilling them with your questions, isn't it? And it will show your smartness, promptness, listening skill, and verbal ability. So are these not interesting activities for your project and assignment work? We have last in the list, make a quick reference book. Write the format of all topics of writing section along with an example in a quick reference book so that you can refer to it when you have short time during exam. So students, these were some of the quick English project and assignment ideas, and I hope they will be useful to you in your next assignment or project work. If you have more ideas, please do write to me, do comment in the comment box, or you can also send a mail to aksenglishclasses@gmail.com. Thank you for listening to the video, students. Bye bye. Take care.